How to turn off sensitive contents on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can turn off the sensitive contents that you see on Twitter. First, open up the Twitter app. You'll get an interface like this. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, to turn off sensitive content on Twitter, first what you'll need to do is tap on the profile icon that you can find at the top left corner of your screen. At the top left, you can see a little profile icon there. Simply tap on it and you'll get a list of options along with your profile here. Now, simply tap on Settings and Support option, and here again head into Settings and Privacy under Settings and Support. Now, under Settings and Privacy, what you'll need to do is head into the fifth option that you can see below Monetization, the Privacy and Safety option. Simply tap on it, and here the third option you can see Content You See. Decide what you see on Twitter based on your preferences such as topics and interests. Simply open it up and you can see Display Media that may contain sensitive content. If you have toggled this switch on, then you must probably be seeing the sensitive contents on Twitter. Now, to turn off sensitive content, simply toggle this switch off that you can see beside Display Media option. Toggle it off and your sensitive content will be turned off and you'll no longer be able to see sensitive contents, or you won't be shown sensitive contents. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.